Hello, this is Maria from Maria Nice Designs. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using these card blanks from Tonic Studios from the Craft Perfect collection. They're bright white, so I'll be using that. I will be using my favorite things, Very Merry 6x6 paper pad. Okay, and then I have the Infinity dies, which is the 5-point star. So I used several of these. And here I began what's going to become a shaker card. And I did use a Gorilla clear tape from Gorilla Glue. And I placed that all over the back of this card panel. I just used some leftover plastic and I made a little window. And I used a pattern paper from the pattern paper pack from the MFT Very Merry 6x6 pad. Okay, so I cut this down, and this is a 4x6 card. That's what the Tonic Studios cards are measured as. So I'm going to apply this on top, but not until I add these Sparklerz embellishments. These are from pearblossomppress.com. They're called Crystal Stars. Okay, so I'll be adding those inside as well. Try and get as many in there as I can. See here. Get them all in. Come on, little guys. They're wedged. Yep. There you go. And just try and spread them out as best as I can here. I ended up using a double layer of plastic because it is a bit thin. So I'm not sure if there's going to be a lot of shaking going on. I'm going to remove the backing. Okay, so I'm placing it carefully on, making sure it's nice and straight. Probably didn't mention this before, but I have this spray. It's called Clean Master Brillianize, and it has it kind of glazes it, the plastic or glass or what have you, any hard shiny surfaces. So it polishes glass, plastics. It's anti-static and it really works. I love it. So I've been using that in lieu of the powder that gets everywhere for my shaker cards. So that's just a tip that I wanted to give you. Just put a few stars here and there. Put a few little ones. So I think what I'll try and do is get that finished up. And then I'm using the MFT Merry and Bright stamp set. Using this here. And I have a die that will cut each of them out individually. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, I'm going to place it in my MISTI. There we go. I grabbed both the Goddess Green from Ink on 3 Atelier Ink. I'm stamping that, and I also grabbed the Maryland Red. We're going to see if I like the green, I'll just stick with the green. I think that's the best green. It goes with it. There we go. That's better. I'm going to take it over to my machine. I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so I'm going to make the letters wonky. So it says Merry and Bright. Since it's cut off, the star point's cut off, I thought it'd be something different. It's out of the norm for me. I usually like vintagey stuff, but I think it's kind of cute. There you go. Ready? Oops, yeah. Get the bright on here. There we go. This way. Yeah, we're doing it this way, right? There we go. There we go. We have all the stars shining, merry and bright. So that's my first Christmas card of the season that I've made on YouTube. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate your time and for inviting me into your homes. Here's the finished card. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this card today. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share my videos, and please hit the bell icon for future uploads. I hope you have a fabulous day. Blessings to all. Bye-bye.